Now, there are 4 effective ways how you can shift from problem talk to solution talk. First, stop asking the why questions because they are not very helpful anyway. When you ask a why type of question, you are like giving the opportunity for your staff to explain or justify their action. So it is about justifying what has happened and explaining their feelings. So it doesn't solve the problem. This is not to say that why is not important or useful, but it's just that in itself, it tends not to move us forward. Now, secondly, we got to start asking the 5W and the 1H question I'm sure all of you are familiar with, right? Which include the what, who, when, where, which, and how. These are very important and useful questions to ask. The third way is focusing on what went well or what has worked in the past. Help your employees to find the past successes, even a small one, doesn't matter. Yeah, looking at what worked will help them build their confidence so that they can focus to do more of what works. Now, lastly, focus on the strength rather than the weaknesses. This is more encouraging and motivating. Many research have confirmed that employees feel more confident, self-aware, and productive when focusing on their strength rather than their weaknesses. And this leads to higher level of employee engagement and increased productivity and performance. Now, this is the practice time again. Well, let's wrap up what is solution talk and problem talk. Well, problem talk has a tendency to make the issue you're trying to solve become worse until even the smallest setbacks turn into enduring challenges. By approaching problem-solving discussion with curiosity, openness, and commitment to take action, you can begin to shift your organization's preferred communication style and have a healthier and more productive conversations. Due to the prevalent problem-focused environment that we live in today, it is very natural that people want to engage in a problem talk because they are keen to find out the root cause of the problems and who is to blame. In such cases, what you can do is to shift the attention to focus on the exception, a time when the problem is less severe or didn't occur for some reasons. For example, when your employee said, "I can't communicate with my boss anymore," he wouldn't listen. Then you could ask them, what were the times or when were the times you can communicate with your boss and he will listen to you? So you want to direct the attention to focus on the exception and find out what works for them. This is the power of solution talk. Now, starting today, start an OKR conversation with your employee with a solution talk and see how this is going well for you.